This is how to draw a fire power-up from Mario. We'll start with a line coming down, just a long vertical line. This will be the basis for its stem, and also just the dividing line for the middle of the flower face. So now we'll draw a oval, a wide, chubby oval. This curves around like this and goes through the other side and loops down to the bottom here. Alright, and feel free to pause anytime you need to catch up, but this is just the outline of the flower. So now next thing we'll do is draw a tiny oval in the middle, so about this width from the bottom to here. Then the top of the face will be right here. So this is going to be its face, and it's just a small oval, curves around from the bottom to the top, and loops back around and down like this. And now we're going to draw another line in between these two ovals. So this is going to be just the same thing. Just start from about here and curve around following the shape of this outside oval here. Remember to draw lightly if you're drawing on paper. I'm going to go over this with line work after drawing this rough lines and then color it. Alright, so now got to give him some eyes. So his eyes are spaced apart pretty widely. It's about 1, 2. His eyes are about 2 eye widths apart. So there's one eye, and there's the second eye. They're just long ovals. And put some highlights on the top. And then the stem just come down from that first horizontal line. And then on the other side, just that same width that we did. Now the leaves come out from the bottom, so we'll just draw a line coming out like this that curves. And then on the other side, we'll do the same thing, draw a line coming out. Now we'll add leaves to the stem of this leaf. So come down here and just slowly curve it out like that. And then come back down here and curve this one out. Do the exact same thing over here. So come down, up, and it gets fatter as it comes out to about the center part. It gets fatter and then it comes in narrow. Same thing. So as you can see, this is the fattest part, the widest part of the leaf. Just right here. Alright, so now I'm going to go over this in line work and color it. Thank you for subscribing and watching. Let me know in the comments what I should draw next, and I'll see you in the next video. Feel free to color along and draw with the rest of this.